this one is really nice. It's really good bread.
I don't know what's in that butter, but goddamn.
It's so good. I've been loving blue nail polish recently. I don't really know why, but I'm just going through a bit of a blue phase with my nail polish. So I think I'm gonna paint my nails this color today. It is number 92. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you might already know this, but if not, Melbourne has gone into a 7-day lockdown again. That means that I am not going to Sydney Fashion Week anymore, unfortunately. So we are just gonna try and make the most of staying at home. And yeah, anyways, on another note, I just got this new jumper. I really love it. I wore it on Instagram this week and you guys really liked it too. Here's the final result. I really like them. I think that the other blue color that I had last week was maybe a bit better, but this is still fun. Also, this is the current state of my desk chair at the moment. My brother pulled out the whole rattan bottom thing, mainly because it had like a huge hole in it and it has been broken for a while. So we're gonna fix it ourselves. We're also going to restain the wood, I think, to be like a bit of a lighter color. And in the meantime, I'm just using this chair instead as my office chair. So pretty much this is just like a clear acrylic sort of fold out chair that I got from Amazon, which I thought was pretty cute. This is my lunch today. Very simple, just some fried rice that my mum made yesterday and a fried egg. I just got to the supermarket and I think I'm gonna make pesto pasta for dinner, so I just have to pop inside and get the ingredients. It's cold. All right, let's go. Looks really good, and it's also gluten-free, and I feel like it'd be really good on the porridge that I have every day. I'm gonna try this. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. It's okay, it's okay. It's like 13 degrees. Definitely not hot. Ta-da! So my skin's been looking pretty dull the last couple of days, so I'm just doing a little exfoliating scrub, and I'm also going to pop on this rejuvenating mask. Hopefully it helps. Also, I put some fake tan on last night because I was feeling down about being in lockdown, and I don't know, I just felt like I wanted to be a bit more tanned. I thought it would make me feel better, but it has literally stained my hands and my wrist and everything so badly, even though I did use a mitt and wash my hands straight away after. So I feel like this fake tan is not great. I'm not sure if I'll use it again because I don't know, it just felt like it was really easy to get it wrong, which usually isn't the case. Look at my hand. God. So I haven't worn any makeup since last Wednesday, and today is a Tuesday. So it has been almost a week without wearing any makeup. You would think that my skin would be like glowing after a week of no makeup, but to be honest, it hasn't really made a huge difference. Like I still feel like it's not its best at the moment. I'm just using a Mecca Cosmetica Hydra Skin Tint, and this is in color Natural 2.0. Looks like this. Wants to focus. Come on, there we go. Oh, there we go. Yep, looks like that. This doesn't really add a lot of coverage or anything, but as you can probably sort of see there, it adds like a little bit of color to my skin just to make me look a little bit fresher, look like I'm awake. Is this too colorful or is this good? I don't know. And also, what would you wear this with? Because given I don't actually wear that much color other than green, I don't even really know how I would style this. So yeah, I look forward to hearing what you guys think. Alright, I'm gonna make a ham, tomato, capsicum, and spinach omelette for lunch today. Try a bit of pickles. I just resubscribed to Hey You so that I can watch the new season of Made in Chelsea. I don't know if you guys watch Made in Chelsea, but I do. I have been watching it for literally the last like 10 years. And I'm on episode 3, one halfway through episode 3, so of season 21. OG Made in Chelsea, like the one that I used to watch when I was in year 11 or 12, was so much better than the Made in Chelsea now. So yesterday we found out that the lockdown is going to be extended for another week here in Melbourne. I'd actually booked flights to go to Noosa this weekend, so I'm obviously gonna have to cancel that trip as well now. As I'm sure you guys have seen over this vlog, I've pretty much just been in my tracksuit for the entire week, and I also have not really been leaving my house very much. Like, I've barely even been going for walks this week. I've just, yeah, I don't know, haven't felt overly motivated to do anything. I'm actually wearing jeans right now and a proper top and everything, and I'm going to head out and get a takeaway coffee with Nick. I'm gonna go to the park, have a little walk around, and yeah, just like, you know, do the things that we actually can do at the moment, which is pretty much just that, get a takeaway coffee and walk around. It's so funny how quickly you forget how to get dressed and like do yourself up and everything. Like the last time I got properly dressed was last Thursday, so a week ago, when I went for dinner with Nick. Right before the lockdown started, and since then I haven't really put anything on, and I'm like, what do I even like to wear? Like, what's my style? Who am I? I don't even know. So anyways, I've managed to put an outfit together, I think. It's actually such a nice day today. I think this is going to be the last nice day for a while, as I think it's going to be raining like the entire weekend. I figured I really do need to get outside today and yeah, just enjoy this nice weather. I'll also get some ingredients to cook something for dinner as well. How did I do that? I kind of feel like a poke bowl for dinner, I think. So I'm just gonna go via the Japanese pantry and get some sushi grade salmon to make a poke bowl for dinner. Also, just a little life update. Granted, the lockdown and stuff doesn't delay this, obviously, but if it doesn't, in 10 days, Nick and I are actually gonna get the keys to our new place, which is so exciting. So when we do, I will obviously like bring you guys through the place like on the very first day that we have settlement, because I'm just so excited. And even though we're not gonna be moving in until I think July, because we have to wait for the floorboards to be installed and also the curtains and blinds and whatever, but I will also start properly furniture shopping, which we haven't actually really done yet because we've sort of been waiting to actually measure the place, which we weren't able to do until we get the keys. This is what I'm wearing today. It is nothing really that special, but it is nice to be out of tracksuit pants. I'm definitely going to try and make more of an effort to get properly dressed over the next week in lockdown, because yeah, living in tracksuits is not the vibe. Here's what I'm having for lunch today. It's gonna be really hard to open this with one hand. Oh no, actually, oh, I did it. There we go. I never had these before. I wasn't expecting this. I don't know what I was expecting, but not this. I bought these pancake mix today at the Japanese pantry, and we also bought this maple syrup. So we're going to make these pancakes. Hopefully they look like this. It's actually really good. This maple syrup is amazing though. That's my piece.
That's nice.
That's nice.